Hello, Mr. Scientist. I hope you're not too busy to teach us something now.
Ha ha! No, Neil. I'll always make time to teach wonderful children like you. Are you ready to start?
Yes, we are ready.
Today, we are going to learn about dimensions. Can you tell me what a point is?
We can show you a point, but don't know what it means.
A point is a geometric element that has a position but no extension.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now you know what a point is. Then my question is, what is one dimension?
No, sir. Please explain.
A line, it may be straight or curved, without breadth or thickness or trace of a moving point. This is because only one coordinate is needed to specify a point on it. This is called one dimension.
Oh, then what are two dimensions?
Good question. The extent or measure of how broad or wide something is. In simple language, it's called breadth. We learn length and
Breadth?
correct. Length and breadth are two dimensions. You will remember the latitude and longitude on a map you must have studied in school, right?
Yes, sir.
And now the third dimension. The dimension through an object as opposed to its length or breadth. In plain conversation, we always use the word thickness or width.
In simple words, we say length, breadth, and width. Simple, isn't it?
Good. Now let us make two shapes that are 2 and 3 dimensional. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. For today's experiment, we'll need toothpicks and small rubber tubes that can hold the toothpicks inside them. First of all, we'll learn how to create the essential materials required to perform this experiment. We'll need a scissor, a rubber tube, and a ruler. We can find a rubber tube easily in any cycle mart nearby. Take a rubber tube and add marks at a distance of every 3 centimeters on the rubber tube. Then cut it down with the help of scissors. In this way, we'll need 30 pieces of rubber tubes. This way, we are ready with the material required for the experiment. Let's start. First, we will make a triangle. Take 3 toothpicks and 3 rubber tubes. Connect the 3 toothpicks and the 3 rubber tubes and make a straight line. Then, make a triangle by connecting the ends like this. It's that simple. This way, we make a square and then a pentagon by using rubber tubes and toothpicks. All the toothpicks are of the same size. And don't forget, these are all 2-dimensional shapes.
Yes, we did it.
Very good. Now, let us start with the 3-dimensional shapes. We are going to use the same rubber tubes and toothpicks that we used for the two-dimensional shapes. We are going to use a few tricks like this one, so we can form three-dimensional shapes out of these. See what I mean? We are making pyramids. First, insert a toothpick in the center of the tube. Make a hole and pull it down. Now, cap another tube in the same toothpick. Now here is the trick. By stretching the first tube, stretch the other tube and pull this on the toothpick. You will get a four-way outlet. For making a pyramid, we need one four-way and four three-way rubber units like this one. So, let's make four more of these and cut one side of it to make it a three-way. Then it's very easy to make the pyramid.
Got it? Here it is, a perfect pyramid.
Excellent. Now you can paste these on a white paper and display them at home. Now let us talk about the fourth dimension.
Sir, what's the fourth dimension? We have never seen any fourth-dimensional object.
Okay, I will explain. Look at these two balls moving towards each other. Now tell me, when will they collide or hit each other?
In 10 seconds?
Okay, maybe 10 seconds. This means we are talking about time. The fourth dimension is time.
Oh, that was very simple.
We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years. I'm going to give you a little homework now. Here is a little exercise for you. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, and a ray of light from the sun takes 490 seconds to reach the earth. You have to tell me the distance between the earth and the sun. Enjoy doing this math. You can answer this tomorrow. See you then.